Hello everyone, Welsh21 here and welcome to another video. How to fix an upside down screen in Windows 11. We're going to show you right now how to do that. As you can see here, the screen is upside down and is quite awkward to navigate. So you may have turned your computer on and for whatever reason it's done this, or someone may have changed the setting by mistake, but it's simple to do. So there's two ways to do this. You've got to go into your display settings. You can right click, and I know it's hard to see, you go down to display settings, you can do that, or alternatively you can go to the start button at the top right here, right click that one, and then we will go to settings by here, and then right at the very bottom in this case, or top where it should be, is display. And as you can see here, it is, actually this is monitor 2, so we want to go to monitor 2, the correct monitor, so that's this one. So as you can see here, the orientation is landscape flipped. What you got to do is click on that, and we go up to landscape, click landscape, and there you go. You'll see that it's gone correct, and you just click keep changes, and that's as simple as that. So that's how you fix a flipped orientation. It may be on its side as well, because there is an orientation for on the side. Sometimes it does happen by mistake. Some people can change settings by mistake, or if they're messing around with you. If that does happen to you, this is how you change it. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all to my Patreon supporters. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. If not, leave a thumbs down, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Ciao for now, everyone.